going to show you how easy it is to make your own homemade jam with 3 simple ingredients. Let's get started. Put your fruit of choice in a saucepan over medium heat and let it start cooking down. You'll want to stir it a few times and then you can start smashing it with the back of your spoon to help it along. Once it's pretty much broken down, add in your maple syrup and give it a stir. Toss in your chia seeds and stir some more. Once those are incorporated, let that cook down for about 2 more minutes. Then you're ready to pour it into your storage jar. I'm using a mason jar today. And then top with the lid and place in the refrigerator. Over the next couple of hours, those chia seeds are going to plump and swell, and that's going to give it that jam consistency that you're looking for. Pretty simple, right? 3 ingredients, 10 minutes of your time, couple hours in the fridge, you've got yourself some delicious homemade jam. I hope you give this a try. I love using this jam in a chocolate raspberry cake recipe that I make frequently. I will link to that video in the description for you so you can give that a try as well. But if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.